If you accidentally sent a message on WhatsApp and want to delete it, here's exactly how to remove messages, clear chats, or delete conversations on both iPhone and Android. First, open the WhatsApp app and go into the conversation where the message was sent. Now, press and hold the message you want to remove, then tap on Delete. After that, tap the trash icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see two options: delete for me or delete for everyone. If you choose delete for everyone, the message will be removed from the chat for both sides. Oh, keep in mind, this option only works for a limited time after sending the message. If the delete for everyone option doesn't appear, it usually means the time limit has already expired. Now, if you want to clear all messages inside a conversation, tap on the person's name at the top and scroll down to Clear Chat. This removes all messages from the conversation, but keeps the chat available in your WhatsApp list. But if you want to completely remove the entire conversation, go back to the main chat screen, press and hold the conversation, then tap Delete Chat. You can also archive the chat instead if you just want to hide it from your main inbox. And one more useful feature is disappearing messages. Just open the contact's profile, tap on Disappearing Messages, and choose a timer like 24 hours. Any new messages sent in that chat will automatically disappear after the selected time. And that's how to delete WhatsApp messages, clear chats, and use disappearing messages on both iPhone and Android.